Imagine cutting your service ticket time by 3 to 5 minutes. Sounds enticing, right? This transformation was achieved through a structured form intake combined with cross-departmental collaboration. In less than 4 months, Made in Cookware experienced an impressive 80% adoption rate of their new system. Consultant-led implementation and a flexible design made this success possible, exceeding all expectations. The upcoming data migration was ahead of schedule, transitioning smoothly from Airtable to ClickUp. With excitement growing, teams were eager to adopt the innovative ClickUp platform, ready for change. Made in Cookware is a premium kitchenware brand focused on quality and performance for all cooks. Managing requests from various locations posed a challenge for the technology team, leading to inefficiencies. We were on Airtable, Monday, Trello, Notion. It was chaotic. Nothing was working effectively. With ClickUp, they found clarity and efficiency, realizing they didn't need to look elsewhere for solutions.